Hello, my name is Dylan. Today I'm going to walk you through the process of installing your new mailbox decals. You can also refer to the installation instructions that were included in your package, or you can visit modernhousenumbers.com to get step-by-step instructions with pictures and text. Step 1. Gather your supplies for the installation. We provide mailbox decals. If you're installing on a mailbox, we recommend ordering 2 sets, one for each side. You may also choose to add 1-inch numbers or letters to the front of your mailbox if desired. You'll need to provide tape, a ruler, a burnishing tool, or a credit card. Please note, decals should not be applied to rough surfaces or in wet or freezing conditions. Step 2. Preparing the surface for installation. Before installing your decals, be sure to clean and dry the surface thoroughly. Once you've chosen the location, use painter's tape and a ruler to create a level guide. Align the bottom edge of the decals with the tape to ensure a straight, professional-looking installation. Step 3. Installing your decals. Next, carefully peel off the decal backing. If the vinyl doesn't immediately stick to the transfer tape, use a burnishing tool or the edge of a credit card to press the vinyl down firmly. Once the backing is removed, align the decals with your tape guide and press them onto the mailbox. Apply even, consistent pressure across the entire surface. Use a burnishing tool or credit card for best results. Step 4. Removing the front transfer film. Carefully peel off the front transfer film. You may need to lightly burnish the decals as you remove the front transfer film. Once the film is fully removed, take off the alignment tape. If you ordered additional sets of numbers for the other side or front of your mailbox, repeat steps 2 through 4 for each set. And there you have it, brand new mailbox decals installed in under 10 minutes. Thank you for letting me guide you through this installation process. Remember, these decals can be applied to any clean, dry surface, so your options are endless. For additional questions, please refer to the installation instructions included in your package. You can also visit our website at modernhousenumbers.com and click on the Resources drop-down.